I'm Buddy and welcome to Cake, where we break down baking basics. If you're not the most prepared baker or home baker, I got some tips and tricks for you that's gonna make you into a pro like me. I have some store-bought icing, and what I'm gonna do is take some of this vanilla, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of Nutella, which if you don't have in your house, you should get a jar and keep it in the pantry. And I'm just gonna stir that in, and it's gonna turn regular plain vanilla icing into a vanilla Nutella. I have some more vanilla icing, so I'm gonna take some more vanilla, and I'm gonna add in some peanut butter, which everybody should have at home, and we're gonna do the same thing. Now all of a sudden we have a peanut butter icing. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this cake together. And not everybody's got a turntable at home, so if you don't, you can use a Lazy Susan. So I'm gonna just kinda use my Lazy Susan here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my cake up. I'm gonna start with the peanut butter. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna smooth this out a little bit. I mean, essentially a Lazy Susan is a turntable. So now I'm just gonna smooth that out. So put our next piece of cake on there. I'm gonna put that Nutella. Don't that look good? I'm gonna spread that out. I'm gonna put our top on. Okay, now we're gonna take our vanilla icing here and we're gonna frost our cake. So I'm gonna ice my cake up. All right, so now that we got our cake somewhat iced, I'm gonna show you a great trick. Sometimes you've maybe seen me use a cake comb at the bakery, but if you don't own one of them, I'm gonna show you how to make one. Basically, you take a paper plate and you're gonna cut that guy right in half. Okay? And then you have to always square off. You wanna cut this into a 90-degree angle. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to take little snippets out, just like a comb would have. And I think that when you do this kind of stuff, people get so impressed. So we got our comb here. We're just gonna kinda go around the cake just to get our lines. How's those lines, baby? If you wanted to, you could use the other flat edge and you could just use it to kind of comb out the top. Not everybody has got a pastry bag at home. If you don't, everybody's got a Ziploc bag. And what we're gonna do here is put some tape on the corners here. All right, and I'm gonna do 2 pieces of tape on each side. What this does, it actually stiffens up the plastic so I can cut a nice star tip and make my own tip with this bag. Isn't that cool or what? And I'm gonna take this. I'm going to take the rest of that vanilla icing. So I'm gonna take this. Now I got a pastry bag here, look at that. And I'm just gonna make a little, see? It's just like I had a star tip on there. So now I'm gonna put a little bit more of that Nutella on top. I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna spin it. Then I'm gonna take my knife, I'm gonna use my Lazy Susan to make a little swirl. I'm gonna take my pastry bag again, pipe a little border on the top, all right? Maybe a little rosette on top. Last thing I'm gonna do is I got a couple cake crumbs here, and I'm gonna mix this in with a little bit of red food coloring I had. Because again, this cake is all about just using whatever you got. And this is just an easy way to make red sprinkles. Throw them around. Don't that look cool? And I'm Buddy Valastro, the MacGyver of cakes. With these tips, it makes you from an average baker to your own cake boss, baby. Thanks for watching. In the comment section, let us know what you want to see next. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.